Hey guys, what's up? Back your girl Patriana, Sonia here, and I'm currently inside the Mattress Factory and just exploring just really cool, out of the world art exhibition here. Alright, come follow me and check it out. Oh my god guys, this is like really cool. It's like going to maze and just look at a bunch of like really crazy installation. So we're just exploring like woodworks, I guess. And that's another dead end. This museum is located inside like a neighborhood. It's called Northside here in Pittsburgh. But yes, so it's like 3 different buildings. Just like really cool.